Okay, so I am not a fan of smartwatches. I've always felt that they are, I don't want to say useless because they are useful, but I've always felt that they are unnecessary. But I have been using the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro for about 2 weeks now, and I can kind of see the appeal of smartwatches. There are some nice features and cool things that you can do with a smartwatch like this one. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro and all of its features to find out if you should buy it. So make sure you watch to the end. My name is Udi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So we recently just crossed 2,000 subscribers on the channel. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you all so much. And if you're new here or you're not yet subscribed to the channel, do join us. It's completely free. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Okay, so inside the box, we are first greeted with a smartwatch. We are advised to charge before use. Next, we get a charging cable. It uses magnetic points to charge. If you try to charge it incorrectly, it will not snap on until the charger is placed correctly. So no worries there. And lastly, inside the box, we get the manual. Now, turning on the watch for the first time, you'd have to choose the language, then scan the QR code, or better yet, just head to the Play Store or the Apple App Store and install the Oraimo Health app. Create an account or sign in, and connect your Oraimo smartwatch to your mobile phone. At the time of making this video, the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro will cost you 28,000 Naira, and that's around $40. This is one of the most affordable smartwatch available, and it's feature packed. But before we get into all of its features, let's take a look at its design and build quality. Now, the watch is made of plastic and we get rubber straps. The straps can be changed pretty easily. We get just one button on here, which is used to power on the smartwatch and to enter the menu screen. Right below the power button, we get a microphone which is used when making calls with the watch. So yes, you can make calls with the Oraimo smartwatch. On the other side of the watch, we see the speaker grill, and at the bottom of the watch, we see the charging port and the heart rate sensor. The display is bigger than its predecessor. It has a 1.75-inch TFT touchscreen. The bottom bezel is quite thick, but I do like that it is curved in all of its edges. But as you can see, it does not have screen protection. It has gotten a few nicks and scratches. It still works fine, but if you do get one, just be careful where you swing your hands. Now, the display doesn't get bright enough outdoors under direct sunlight. You'll still be able to sort of see the screen, but I just wish it was a tad bit brighter. Now, it's IP68 water and dust resistant, very good, and it's comfortable to wear. It's lightweight, just 42 grams, so you won't feel any discomfort when you are wearing it. By the way, you should follow me on TikTok and or Instagram. I post really fun videos on there, tech tips and tricks that you can actually try out and use. So do check out my profiles. I also have links in the description of this video. Okay, now let's move on to the features of the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro. So tapping on the button once will take us to the menu screen. First on here is phone. We can enable or disable the watch ability to make a call. Next is contacts. We can sync only 10 contacts using the Oraimo Health app. You can also check out your recent calls or dial up a number if you wanted to. Next on the menu is sports. There are a ton of exercises to choose from, like football. I actually took the watch to play football. I did not score any goals, but I did take over 8,000 steps. So yeah, the watch records the number of steps you've taken and even how many calories you have burnt. Now, next on the list is sports record, and this shows you your previous exercise data. Next on the menu is daily activity, and it shows you the number of steps you've taken for that current day. It can also be accessed from swiping right on the watch face. Now, speaking about the watch face, you are not just stuck with one. You can choose one using the Oraimo Health app and import it or make a completely new one for yourself. Heart rate tells you your heart rate, pretty obvious. Now, blood oxygen measures the oxygen in your blood. Next on the menu is pressure, and this measures how relaxed or how tensed you are. Now, sleep measures your sleep, how well and how long you have slept. Breathe gives you some breathing exercises to do to make you feel relaxed. Next, we have alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, world clock, weather, music. So yeah, you can change the music you're listening to with your Oraimo smartwatch. And lastly, we have find phone. Just hit the play button and your phone will start ringing so you can find it. And you can also use your phone to find the watch using the Oraimo Health app. So just tap on search for device and the watch will start vibrating, and you can find the watch with the vibration noise. So you can easily access some of the features by swiping left or right on the home screen, and swiping right will take you to the music page. There are also shortcuts to the phone, sports and settings. Swiping to the right will get you to daily activity. Next is heart rate and sleep. Now swiping up will take you to your messages. You can also send quick replies using the watch. I don't see anyone using this feature because it doesn't work for WhatsApp or Telegram, just regular SMS messages. Now swiping down shows you a grid of options. You can change your watch face, activate DND, increase screen brightness, open settings, activate power saving mode, and increase or decrease your media volume. Now it has a 300 mAh battery which can last you up to a week. Yes, 7 days, which is really good. So you don't have to be bothered about charging the watch every time. Now speaking about charging, it takes about 2 hours to get full. Oraimo really hit the nail on the head with this one. The Oraimo Watch 2 Pro is feature packed, as you have seen. It's affordable, so you don't have to break the bank. It works with both iPhone and Android. The battery life is very good and it's very comfortable to wear, and you can change the strap very easily. So if you're looking for your first smartwatch to buy, or you're looking for a new smartwatch to upgrade to, the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro would be an awesome buy. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My name is Udi, this is Udi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching again, and you'd see me in my next video.